Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tufmi of House of Awelewa here. If you are new to this channel, on this channel I teach sewing tutorials, freehand and pattern drafting methods. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this kimono puff blouse. If this is something you're interested in, please do also hit that subscribe button and let's get right into it. So for the fabric that I'm going to be using, I have this leftover fabric that I've used to make an outfit before, and what I have here is roughly 1.5 yards, but it's not in one place. So if you are not on the big side, if you're a size 6/8 like me, then you can work with this. The length of this blouse is going to be 20 inches. However, I want the band to be 5 inches. The band is very obvious, so I want the band to be 5 inches long. So that means that the length of this top is going to be 15 inches. So I'm going to start this video by cutting out the length of the top. Now for the neckline, I'm going in with 3.5 width and 3 inches depth. I want to do 3.5 inches wide and 3 inches deep. So I'm not adding zipper allowance because I'm not adding zip at the back. I just want my zip to be on the side. I want a side zip, so that's why I didn't add zipper allowance. But if you want to add your zipper allowance at the back, you're free to do that. Now what I'm going to do is, from the remaining part of the neckline, I'm going to measure the remaining part of my shoulder and the length of the sleeve, where I want the sleeve to be. Now, if your sleeve length is normally 8, I would advise that you have extra inches. So from the nape of my neck to where my sleeve is going to be is 15 inches. So what I'm basically doing is I'm adding extra 8 inches to it, and what I have here is 23 inches. We're going to measure the same thing at the lower part, and then we're going to cut it out. I'm going to go ahead and cut out my neckline. Now, one thing I forgot to show on camera is that you're going to measure your round sleeve, how free or how wide you want it to be. For me, I use my round sleeve normally divided by 2 is 6 inches. So for me, I used 9 inches. And from the nape of the shoulder, from the tip of the shoulder here, I just measured it straight to the edge. And as you can see me doing, I'm notching the tip of my shoulder, the midpoint of the shoulder, so that I know where to attach my elastic to. So this is what we have. The elastic is going to run through from the midpoint of the shoulder to the midpoint of the sleeve, right? So for the band, I mentioned that my band was going to be 5 inches, plus I added an extra inch for stitching allowance, so that makes it 6 inches, and I doubled it for folding over. Then I make sure that the width is my exact waist measurement, plus 1 inch stitching allowance. Now for the shoulder measurements, for the elastic measurements, right, I'm going to turn the tip of the hand. Now this is the elastic that I have. This elastic is 8 inches long. 8 inches long worth of elastic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start stitching from here, and I'm going to pull the elastic to make sure that it runs through to the end. For the band, what I'm just going to do is I'm going to place the main fabric on the band like this, and I'm going to pleat it. If you like, you can use you can gather it, or if you have ruffle foot, you can use ruffle foot. But for me, I'm going to pleat it. And this is what we have, guys. Look at what we have. Look at our balloon top. Look at it. It's just so gorgeous. I'm in love already. So can you see how the shoulders form? The shoulders, and then the pleating at the lower parts. Like I said earlier, you can make yours gathered. I have not ironed this, but it looks so beautiful and gorgeous already. If you're making this for a plus size person or anyone that is bigger than the size 6.5, if I do say so myself, please make sure that you use 2 yards of fabric. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I am going to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.